On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Redbox Entertainment, and today the stock is up 9.41%, trading at $11.08. The stock previously closed at $10.09, open today at $9.36, and has ran all the way up to $11.98 today. The 52-week range for this stock is $1.61 all the way up to $27.22. So we are actually somewhere halfway in that range between the lowest and the highest value of the stock within the 52-week period. The market capitalization is at 503 million. Today's volume is quite healthy with 22 million shares that have exchanged hands. Average volume would be 20 million, and we have just about an hour and 40 minutes to the close of market. Don't forget that Redbox Entertainment is going to be acquired by Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment, and this will form a giant entertainment company. So that's where we are sitting at with the stock valuation of Redbox Entertainment. Today on Wall Street was a good day. If you look at the top of your screens, you will see that finally we get some green. S&P 500 is up 0.54%. The Dow 30 is up 0.19%. Nasdaq up 1.23%, and the Russell 2000 is up 0.48%. Crude oil is coming down quick. Right now it is sitting at $116.59, and it is trending downward. So that's what we have for you guys today concerning Redbox Entertainment. If you look at the 5-day graph, you can see that it's almost just a little bit higher compared to where it was last Thursday. We had this huge run up that occurred over Friday and early this week on Monday, and then yesterday the stock came crashing down, and today, Wednesday, we have picked up a further 9 percentage points, and it looks like the stock is having quite some momentum. You guys can see the number jumping around. It remains to be seen how things will play out. I don't have the minutiae of the deal between Chicken Soup for the Soul and Redbox, so I don't know when exactly they intend to merge and have the Redbox Entertainment, disappear into Chicken Soup for the Soul. However, we have the stock here still trading as a standalone stock. So today it's doing pretty good with a rise of 9.27% and trading at $11.04. Thanks for those who recently subscribed to the channel. We are sitting right at about 504 subscribers. We fixed for ourselves a target of 1,000 subscribers by November 2022. So if you haven't yet done so, please, on your way out, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep that counter moving. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.